The 70s style single fin surfboard is great for drawn out bottom turns and for flowing with the wave. It feels different to surf as your feet are a lot further up the board when surfing. The board's wide point is further towards the nose than normal. Without the two side fins, the single fin doesn't have the same drive through turns as the thrusters, but nevertheless is great for drawing different lines on the wave.
The big single fin is difficult to push around, so you get to work your legs out. So it's fun, you know. It's not necessarily because it works better or worse or anything like that. It's purely relaxation. And so what it does, you do big carving turns, maybe grab rail cutbacks if the waves are good enough. But it's mainly about feeling out the waves, you know. So you draw different lines, and what it does as well, because the volume is so far forward. I mean, on a modern board, if that's the outline, on a modern board, the wide point is roughly in the middle. Whereas with a lot of these retro boards, the wide point's pushed forward, which means all the volume is under here. So it paddles like an absolute steam train, so you catch waves earlier. But also what it means is, in flat sections on waves, especially British waves, you can move your weight forward and you tend to move your feet. Whereas normally you surf like this, on a retro board like this, and on the fish kind of boards, you can move your feet all the way up here and you end up surfing there. That's why the wax goes all the way at the front, because on a flat section or on a fast section, you move forward and it's like hitting the accelerator pedal. So that's what makes these boards interesting, that you get an appreciation of what the wave's doing a bit more and a bit more mobility on your surfboard.